Healthey Smart Jewelry Bracelet, which we design and manufacture, is different from any other smart wearable devices on the market. Now bid farewell to the impractical wristband, embarrassing Bluetooth headset, an unfashionable watch. Come on, let's open a new era of fashion and smartness that belongs to Healthey. No need to open your handbag. Answer phone calls anytime and anywhere. No need for a selfie stick. 360-degree Bluetooth selfie. Freeze frame the most beautiful moment. Remote answering while your cell phone is being charged. Pedestrian statistics and sleep tests. Health indicators are clear at a glance. High-quality denoise microphone. Free chat on any occasion. Distance alarm. Cell phones won't be lost within 15 meters. Fine machining with pure hardware. Ultimate production process. Smart technology patent assures you of the highest quality. Quality inherited from famous European craftsmen. 360-degree hot stamping highlights your value. "108 crystals shining eternally. Ultimate pursuit of Swarovski. 3 colors to choose from: gold, silver, and rose gold."